This is Joshua Hoffman, Head of Product Engineering for LeaseWeb. I'm here with Arnoud Vermeer, one of the speakers, who will be speaking at our Tech Summit on April 13th in Berlin. Now, the topic of your talk is scaling our engineering department. What are you going to be covering in that talk?
A multitude of subjects. Basically, for me, scaling our engineering department is, for example, it's retaining talent. It's also finding new talent, onboarding them, getting them happy, and in general, keeping our engineering department happy.
Sounds like a lot to cover. And if there were a few key elements of success that you're going to talk about, what would those be?
I would like to cover why we started this project, so the goal of the project, where we want to end up, and how we're doing that, for example, with our maturity models, which measures how mature a team is in our transition.
Cool. Anything else? Can you give us I know you've got a lot to cover, and folks will need to come to Tech Summit to hear the whole thing, but can you give us a little bit of a tease of what you'll be talking about?
Yeah, for example, I'll be talking about the initial struggles of getting everybody on board on the new way of working. Some of the tools we're using, for example, story mapping sessions with the entire company, where we get everybody in a room, or key people in the organization in a room, and decide what's important to do in the next upcoming quarters.
Sounds very agile.
It is very agile. Agile is definitely a big part of our transition within LeaseWeb.
And how is that going? If you had to rate the success so far of transitioning into an agile, high-scale organization?
I think we're very well underway. If I look at the morale of the teams around me, it's way improved, and better morale means more productive and more happy people.
Well, I definitely agree. So when you use the title Scaling Our Engineering Department, does that just mean making it bigger?
No, it's not just making it bigger. It's about involving the company that previously has not been involved in the development process, and it's part scaling the teams, but maybe even shrinking the teams to make them more efficient and to actually deliver what we want.
So really about aligning with the business at all levels and achieving maximum efficiency?
That's basically what we want to achieve.
And you're going to reveal the secrets to how you're doing this in your talk at Tech Summit.
Exactly.
Thanks, Arnoud. If you'd like to hear more about how this transformation happened, then please join us on April 13th in Berlin for our Tech Summit, and you can get all the details at techsummit.io.